So I wanted to make a video about this. I haven't seen a lot of tutorials for this, and it took me quite a while to actually figure this out. I have a second-gen Amazon Echo that has been having some connectivity issues with the app, trying to sync it with my phone, stuff like that. The help that I've seen has been mostly on the first generation. So this is how to do a hard reset on the second generation if you're having connectivity issues. In my case, I was having issues with the phone connecting to Pandora, linking my phone when we had this, actually synced up. It said it was synced up with my phone, but it wasn't necessarily working. So this is how to do a hard reset on the Amazon Echo second generation. Well, first I've got the Echo plugged in. The process doesn't include a paper clip like the first generation. All you have to do is make sure that the volume is turned all the way down. You'll get this ring to indicate what volume level you have the Echo at. You click this all the way down as much as it'll go. It will flash the bottom here an LED indicating you are at minimum volume. Once that happens, you want to put the microphone mute and the volume down button pressed together. So hold those two buttons down, and what should happen is the device will start to reset and you'll get a ring around the top here. That is an amber or red, whatever you want to call it. Now, once you see that ring, you can then relieve your hands from them, and basically you'll get a blue light that starts the indication of a brand new reset, as if you were to take it out of the box new. So after a minute here, you should get a prompt that says welcome to your Amazon Echo or something like that. But this is what you'll be seeing for just a moment. You'll get this ring that cycles and it goes around the Echo itself just to kind of boot up here. Maybe. And this is obviously when, and I uninstalled the app on my iPhone, but the Amazon Echo app to set up a new device right after I had done this. But I did want to show kind of how this process worked. I was looking for a while on how to actually do a hard reset on this. It takes a couple minutes, but this helped my issues with the connectivity inconsistencies I was having. I'm hoping that it helps you. So now that we see this red ring, or amber, whatever, that is the boot up. Give a little bit of a tone.
Hello. Let's get started. Just install the Alexa app and follow the instructions.
Alright, so that is the ring you're going to be getting until you get into the app on your phone and start connecting the device. But I hope that helped. I didn't see a ton of reviews on this generation of Echo for some reason, so hopefully that, if at least nothing in the app can help you, this will reset the device as new.